You don't need to be a pro to Pacuzzi. Steam some broccoli with me using a Pacuzzi. We'll start by pressing the Pacuzzi into our well-loved pan, and would you look at that? It sticks so well. We love how well it sticks. It's really what makes the process work. Next, we'll put the baker's mat down that's included with your Pacuzzi so that we can lay down this lovely frozen broccoli, and listen to how hard that is. Next, we're going to use the little measuring cup included with your purchase to measure just the right amount of water to put in, so we can put it on the stove, put the top on, and get that heat turned up. Are you ready to hear how it sounds once it's heated up? Just think, you could get to listen to that every single day, because guess what? Pacuzzi is meant for pretty much anything that needs to be heated up. It is a quicker and cheaper alternative to a steam oven, and it keeps all of your nutrients locked in as you're reheating this food. It keeps the flavor locked in. In fact, I can tell you right now that after I filmed this and I ate some of the broccoli, it tasted so much better than any time I've ever put it through the microwave. This is just one of the many ways that Pacuzzi can save food from going to your trash can. So now the question is, will you Pacuzzi? Check out our website to order your own Pacuzzi and get started on saving your kitchen today.